Valentine's Day is right around the corner. Are you ready? Hello and welcome to DryerDays Art Studio. I'm Catherine. Thank you so much for being here today. Well, in this video today, I want to share 4 really quick, really easy, so simple crafts, pieces, whatever you want to call them, that you can make for your loved one, your friend, your family member for Valentine's Day this year. All the products that I'm going to be using are listed in the video description. You can buy them now. These are current listings, and you can get them in the next couple days and have these projects ready for that person on Valentine's Day. Probably gonna throw in a couple extra little things that you can make as well that are just as simple and easy. But let's get into the first 4. Okay, so first I gotta talk about my February art box because they have been selling out. I don't have many left. You guys gotta grab these now if you're thinking about getting one. They are just so perfect. And you know, I want to mention too that with all of these items, we're using several products, maybe some silicone molds and a complete art box. And not only are the finished products really awesome gifts to give, but even the art box itself or the mold itself or the pigments themselves used to make these things would be great gifts for that artist in your life who loves to do resin art and loves to create with resin. So in my February art box, I include these 2 silicone molds that create this perfect little trinket box. This is just adorable. Or you can use it how I plan to use it, as 2 separate little dishes. It works either way. They look really elegant, very cute either way. But you know, I think something like this too would be really cute for a little girl. I have 2 girls personally, so a lot of the things I make are geared around them and what they might like. Here we have the silicone mold to make the little trinket box, and then I include 2 different glitters, actually 3, because you get a sample of my favorite glitter, my True Love Sparkler. It's a biodegradable glitter. You're also going to get 2 pigments, the matte white, which I put in pretty much every piece I use, and you're also going to get my super bronze pigment, which I don't even sell in my store. You can only get it in this kit. You can also get the kit with or without resin, so if you want to try out a different resin that you haven't tried before, I include tumbler epoxy resin in this kit. I do a lot of shopping on Amazon. I scour Amazon to find things that I can resin on, things I can use in my studio, different products, and I came across these little tiny ceramic heart-shaped dishes. These are so cute. Again, I thought these would be perfect for maybe a little girl, but also these are really nice little accent pieces that you could put on an entryway table, on a nightstand, even in a bathroom. You know, at night when I'm washing my face, I love to be able to take my rings off, and I put them in this little trinket dish right there by my sink to keep them safe. Real quick, I'm going to show you here, just running through some of my different glitter and pigment combinations that I used in these little dishes. I was actually planning on sending some of these to friends and family members, and my daughter saw me getting ready to get this video together to do today, and she saw them and she said, "Oh my gosh, I love these. Can we have these?" What I actually did plan on giving my girls are these other little boxes. Again, found the boxes on Amazon, and actually I'm still kind of working on these, so I'm gonna handle these gently and I can't really take them apart too much, but all I did was I taped off the sides of these boxes. I primed it twice with white gesso, and then I was able to pour on these. And my girls love pink and purple and really girly colors. These, again, I used my white matte, I used a little bit of rose gold and my unicorn sparkler. And some pink biodegradable glitter in there too, just to really make that pink pop. Like I said, I'm still kind of working on these, so these aren't put together. So I'm just gonna gently put these back here. And my last one in my top 4 that I was gonna show you has to do with this heart-shaped mold right here. And actually, I've been selling quite a few of these right now, I think because of Valentine's Day coming up. But I'm gonna show you a really quick clip here. If you wanna see the full length of this video, I'm gonna put a link in the description and if you wanna press the lowercase I, if you're on a desktop right now and you see that lowercase I, it'll take you right to this video. This is a really popular video of mine where I made a small tray for a client who loves Tiffany blue, she loves silver, and so I tried to create that for her in this tray. Her plan was to use this tray on a little side table in her living room, probably to put remotes on, or even just to have a nice little cute piece in the room. You could also really use this on a coffee table, again, a nightstand. It's a really nice size and shape. And this is a really good time to mention too, as I mentioned, that client really loved kind of that minty green, teal, Tiffany blue, and silver. And so I incorporated the colors that she loves into that piece. That's what I love so much about being able to be a creative and be an artist and make things like this for friends, family, and clients, because what makes handmade gifts so much more meaningful is you're creating a piece geared towards a person. It reminds you of them. It's their favorite colors. It's something that they love. And so when they receive it and they see, oh my God, these are my favorite colors, it's just so much more meaningful than going to the store and maybe just buying something for the sake of buying it, like just flowers or chocolate or whatever. You know, these are different gifts, they're personal, and that just makes them that much more meaningful. Couple of things I want to mention. Last year, my January art box had small heart-shaped wooden cutouts that I actually included in that box, more whites, silvers, silver stones, things to really make the pieces look elegant. Again, you don't have to stick to these pink, reds, the more Valentine's Day colors. Be creative, branch out, think of what that person's favorite colors are. Again, even with the art box, you know, I threw in there a bronze and it looks so beautiful against these pink and golds in here, but it's something a little different. It's not that overkill of pink if that's not your thing, or the person you're giving it to, pink really isn't their thing. Besides even the wooden cutouts, I'll link a store below where I like to find my wooden cutouts. There's even some on Amazon too that are of good quality. Here we have my heart-shaped ornament mold, which I only have a few of these left. I sold a lot of these around Christmas, obviously, but you can see the shape. It's just a beautiful shape with the little eyelet cutouts in there. Again, you could experiment with colors. Ornaments are always fun any time of year. I love getting new ornaments for my tree. And then we also have the geometric edge heart-shaped coaster molds. People have been getting really creative with these. I've seen people create molds in here, demold them, and actually put them in another larger heart like this. Your creativity just blows me away. I love it. I love seeing what you guys do with your pieces, with your products. So please tag me on Instagram at DryerDays so I can see what you're making. These have been really popular right now too. They're just really cute and elegant. So guys, happy Valentine's Day to you. I hope you found this video helpful. Maybe gave you some ideas or even just inspired some creativity in you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. I love seeing your feedback, your comments. I try to answer you every single day as soon as I can. Come follow me on Instagram at DryerDays. I'll see you guys over there. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, everybody, keep on pouring.